Hello, Nonna Maria here. I'm making today, I made it before, I had a video, a typical from Trapani. Trapani is the city from Palermo, an hour and a half away from Palermo, to go to the Egari Island. You get over there, you drive, you get the boat, and you go to the Egari Island, Favignana, where my father was from, and most of my family. Anyway, today is Busiate. This is kind of pasta. Okay. From Trapani. Alla Trapanese, Trapani style, with almonds, tomatoes, garlic, of course, fresh basil, and this is called murtaro. This is where you pesto, when you do it by hand, not on a blender, by hand. Pecorino romano and pine nuts. That's because I have a very little almond. Let's begin. First, until you take the skin off, you do a little cross and you put it here. You're not cooking it, it's just to take the skin off. It's gonna take only a little while. Okay, see how easy the skin comes out? Just couple seconds. We're not cooking. Everything has to be done actually from raw tomatoes. Okay, the name this pasta is called Busiate because it's made with this. I don't know how you call it over here. It's just to knit. Okay, so let's do it. Let's finish over here and then we start. Okay, we start with garlic. We put the almonds and the pine nuts and we pesto. This is the way it was done a long time ago, and that's why it's been done now, because the taste is completely different. It's easy to put it on a blender and do it all that, but the taste is not the same. Then we add the basil. And we keep on doing it. Okay, the water is already boiling. Now we did this a little bit. We had some olive oil. A lot, and the tomatoes, and we kept on doing it. Okay, see, it's gonna come out like this. Usually it's 1 clove of garlic per person. I put 1.5. This is a typical from Trapani. It's pasta con l'aglia pistata. That means with pistata means like this, the garlic. You have to feel it. Modern days now in this pasta, they put French fries. Not for me. Fries, they don't go on a pasta for me. But they do it. Not everybody, but they do it. And we keep on doing it. Okay, the pasta is almost done. Like I said, everything raw. I put a little pecorino romano, a little bit more oil. Okay, then we're gonna toss it right over here. And I have some pasta water. Okay, Here goes the pasta. Where is that thing? See? Favignanesi, the people from Favignana. That's where I bought this pasta. It's where my father was born, one of the Agari Islands, the biggest one. It's cooked slowly in bronze. Okay? Here we go. We toss, and we toss. Let's do it our way. See, everything is raw. Little pasta water. And voila! Little mix again. It's ready. Adesso che facciamo? Andiamo a tavola e mangiamo!